Hello lovely people, welcome back to How Logical. In this video, we are going to talk about can we hide our age in our Yubo accounts? If yes, how to do it. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Can we hide only age into our Yubo account? The answer is no, we can't do that specifically, but we can do one thing to hide age from these stranger peoples. To do that, you just simply have to open your Yubo application at first, and after opening the Yubo, go to your profile by clicking to this button into the top right corner. And after going to your profile, you can see this gear icon into the top right corner. You just simply have to click into that. And after coming to the account setting, you can see this swipe settings here. You just simply have to tap into swipe settings. You can see many options into swipe setting. You don't have to do much. You just simply have to open this button here. Now what this button will do is hide your profile from strangers. Yes, you heard it right. After opening this option, your profile won't appear in the swipe and your age will be hidden from the stranger peoples. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update.